Hey, welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, so if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we're going to be looking at this brand new Hublot Classic Fusion titanium watch with a black index dial on a rubber strap. The model reference number for this watch is 511.NX.1171.RX. Retail price on this watch, this 45mm watch, is $7,600 US as of 2022. Now, I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the size, the bezel, the dial, the crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap. I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Starting off with the case size, this is a 45mm watch from my pointer finger here to my thumb. The watch looks a little bit large on my medium-sized wrist, but it does sit rather flat compared to a chronograph watch. It does stick out a little bit over my wrist, and not too terribly much. You can see that it is a thinner profile if we turn the watch to the side than what you would see on a chronograph watch. I can comfortably wear a 42mm watch in most cases. This might be a little bit larger than what I'm used to wearing, but it still wears okay. Because it's made out of titanium, it doesn't wobble around on my wrist like a steel watch or a gold watch would due to its lighter weight. The water resistance on this case is rated to 50 meters or 165 feet. So you can take this shower with this watch on. You should have no problems. Let's take this watch off. Take a look at this bezel. Now the bezel is made out of titanium and keeps it looking clean and sharp. The front of the bezel has a polished grain that goes up and down, similar to what you'd expect on steel or gold, but it is much lighter. The sides of the bezel are polished to a shiny finish. Now, the bezel is secured by 6 of Hublot's signature titanium H-style screws. You can see here. The black index dial on this watch has been beveled. It does have beveled hour markers. Give a little bit more of a 3D look. And the hands, the hour hand and minute hands, also have beveled hands. You're also going to see Hublot's logo here on the end, the short end of the second hand. I like that. I like that. And you're also going to see a date here at the 3 o'clock position, a date window here where it says 31. You're also going to notice that the window is actually black with white numerals, which matches the dial. I like that look. Now, going on to the crown and its functions. First position of this watch, you just pull it out, is going to be to just wind the watch. Winding the watch should be pretty simple. You can wind the watch crown about 10 times, and you can let the rotor on the inside of this watch do the rest of the work. You pull it out another position, it's going to be able to tell change the date function. 2, 3, 4. If you're going in a counterclockwise motion. If you pop it out one more time, you'll be able to tell. You can set the hands, so the hour hand and minute hand. Pop it all the way back in, and you should be able to set your time on your watch. The movement that runs this watch is an automatic HUB 1112, has a power reserve of 42 hours. That's almost 2 days. Now, going on to the strap on this watch. Hublot makes some really good straps. This strap feels really nice and soft. It's still sturdy though. It's their standard lined rubber strap. It's offered in a variety of colors. In this case, it's going to be black, but they also offer it in rubber of other colors and alligator skin. We bring you over to the Hublot on the back of the watch, on the deployment. This has a twin release buckle deployment, which means if you clasp it, you press it in, and you want to open it up, you need to be able to open it up with by depressing both buttons in order to open it up. They made it this way so you don't actually just depress one button and then the watch flies off your wrist accidentally. So you have to press both buttons to release it. This watch is offered as a 45mm as shown, a 42mm, a 38mm, and also a 33mm. Now overall, in my opinion, this is a great everyday watch for a person who wants to no-nonsense, simple classic dial. It can wear nicely under the cuff, and it would go really well with a dress shirt and a suit. So I think the rubber strap conforms to a serious look. The dial is easy enough to be read with just a glance. However, you're not going to be able to read the time in the low light conditions because there's no lume in the dial. The 45mm case does feel a little bit large on my wrist. And that's because I have a medium-sized wrist, but the titanium case does make it easy to wear. If you like having a larger watch on your wrist with the light weight of titanium, and you'd like to fit it under your business attire, this watch is for you. If you want to know where to get this watch, we have it in stock. Again, the model reference number for this Hublot Classic Fusion 45mm is 511.NX.1171.RX. So go to jazztime.com and click buy now. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.